All right. I don't think I introduced myself yet. My name is Pagnia Xiong, and I am so honored to be here today at the Minnesota State Fair representing Hmong. Not only that, the song that I just performed with these amazing people was called Itia, and that was off of my latest album. Today, I've got a lot of stories, okay, and I hope you guys will endure a little bit with me, okay? Good evening, okay, so hopefully you all don't mind. So this next one, I'll start off with a story, okay? This one was actually the very first track off of my last album. And for those of you who know me, I love ballads, okay? I love songs. The Shija Nona Ija ballad, it's not a love song. And it had nothing to do with Longo Lonto at all, okay? So it was very unconventional for me to release this as the very first track. But I needed this song to set the tone for the album. Because for 10 years, I had evolved so much as an artist. And this song needed to tell just a little bit of my story, a little truth in what it means to be performing and what it means to be human. Whenever I sing it, I not only want my listeners to know, but also it's a reminder for me too, that at the end of the day, you yourself, you own your own power. It's yours. Once again, I like to say this: each and every one of us, we're simply fire in human form. Fire, right? So, this one is Hluav Taws, meaning 心trái đã chỉ không giờ đã lấy chỉ đau sao họ có uống sầu bao cú sâu cho chia ô cả trâu không giờ đã lấy